is Fahim Adil. I'm taking courses and training here in NetSoft from the last 2 years. From the last 2 years, I have very good experience with the trainers. Here in NetSoft, we have very good and technical trainers who give you not only the knowledge of the course, but also give you a very good motivation to improve your current knowledge. Because I came here to upgrade my current knowledge and my current skills, because IT is improving and changing day by day. So if we are not improving ourselves, so we cannot be fit into the environment. So that's why I came here to NetSoft to improve my knowledge and my technical skills. And I found NetSoft is the best institute here in GTA to give you a very technical knowledge as far as from Microsoft, Citrix and VMware training are concerned. So I found this NetSoft very best, not only in the technical knowledge but also the personal skills improvement chances are there. So I found this institute is the best because I got my technical skills, I got my personal skills improved here, I got the very good labs here, so I improved my hands-on experience here. So I recommend this institute to everybody to come here and join the NetSoft to improve your current technical knowledge and skills, so you can improve your current position.